So, traders, on today's video, as you guys have already saw the thumbnail, you guys just know, and you guys ask you that take that piece of paper, find a safe space and a quiet space, and far most importantly, listen attentively and take note into what I'm about to share to you guys, because on part 4, I will not only be exposing Forex secrets, but I'll be also teaching you guys and showing you guys how you can do it the way everybody is doing it. But because I have to expose the secrets and show you guys what they don't want you to see so you can win like we always do, then you've come to the right place. But before we start the video, like on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop 5 educational videos, and to far most importantly, take that link on my description to sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend. As you guys can clearly see, we're using our easy and user-friendly and far most importantly safe trading platform. So if you want to capitalize on the trading platform and trade on the safe side, no more MC4, no more MC5, then I guess you're gonna take that link and sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend. And before we start the video, COT Academy has a 50% discount in our 2-day in-person mentorship course. I've left my number, my Telegram link, my Instagram link, and my WhatsApp link. So you're gonna choose if you want to communicate with me so I can come to you for 2 days and give you all the gems and all the knowledge, and far most importantly, give you the blueprint into being a professional and profitable Forex trader. But without further ado, let me share it to you guys and expose to you guys part 4 Forex trading secrets that they don't want you guys to know. So, as you guys can clearly see, Nasdaq structure is bullish, behavior is bullish, and our patterns are also bullish. But I want to show you guys the catch into today's video, because I wouldn't do much and I wouldn't say much, but as you guys can clearly understand, we have a bullish structure, we have a bullish behavior, and we have bullish patterns. But the fourth that I'm about to share to you guys, that's the secret that I am going to expose to you guys on this video. So understanding that we have a clean bullish structure on the NAS, because as you can clearly see, price has been creating what higher highs, pushing to the downside, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and we have a current price higher highs. But I need you guys to understand the blueprint on today's video. It's all based on Friday, right? So Friday when market opened, right there, as you can clearly see, the 19th of September. So price had already closed in on a higher low formation, in a higher high being printed out. So with a higher low formation that price is printed out, in a higher high that price is created, we now understood that there's only 2 takes that there's only 2 zones and only 2 reasons that we might put our focus on Nasdaq on Friday. And one of the main reasons is price gave us a push of a higher high, right, and a push of a higher low to end our trading day. So with a trading day that has ended on a higher high, we now understood that in order for us to capitalize on Friday on Nasdaq, we need at least the Asian session or our London session to give us bullish momentum, right? Let me repeat. In order for us to look for those bullish continuations, we need the Asian session or the London session to be bullish, one between the two, right? So as you can clearly see that as our Asian session opened with us on 0000, which was 12 p.m, 1200 a.m, I mean. So we now understood that, guys, obviously price is now above our higher low, and with price being above our higher low, that's the first reason into why we might look to continue bullish. The second reason is one between the two, whether it will be the Asian session nor the London session, we might need bullish momentum within that trading session, one between the two. So the first take is price has already closed and trades above our higher high, our higher low formation. 2, we need our Asian or our London session to be bullish. And 3, we need price to hold above our intraday higher low in order for us to understand that price will look for those continuations to the upside. So when I share to you guys and when I show you guys, right, 1, One, our session, our price is trading above our price is trading above our higher low, right? Two, we saw bullish momentum on our London session compared to our Asian session, right? And three, our Asian session had a break below, looking forward into our pre-London session. So with our Asian session being bearish, falling down and trading below our zone, and with our London session stepping in and giving us that bullish momentum above our zone, that's when we understood that there's a high possibility that price will continue moving to the upside. As I show you guys, you can clearly see that price gave us a bullish candlestick close, which was our 8 a.m. candlestick an hour before our London. And then the London session candlestick had a bear continuation to the downside, but flipped and gave us a bullish close above our zone. And three, our 10 a.m. candlestick gave us a bullish momentum close above our higher low zone. In some terms, price had already printed out that intraday support zone, as I explained to you guys, and as I refer to a higher low zone, right? Price has already created that intraday support zone. So obviously, understanding that the first take was prices above our zone, two, price gave us bullish momentum above our zone, and three, price held above our zone with bullish momentum, looking forward for those moves to the upside of possible new all-time highs. And when you clearly look at it, that's how price has played out. Clean, simple, not easy, not hard, but just based on us having to have a plan before we execute, and us having to follow our trading plans before having to execute. So our trading plan was based on three criteria, right? Our Asian session, our price had already closed in a higher low formation. With a higher low formation close, price was already traded above our zone. Two, our session gave us bullish momentum above our zone. And three, price had a bear open, price had bear momentum, and price gave us bullish momentum on our London session candle, on our London session, on our London trading session, giving us bullish momentum above our zone with anticipation of possible new all-time highs. And then you clearly look at it, price gave us what we were looking for, and that's how we have managed to capitalize and held a clean 100 pip move. As I always tell you guys, and as I always say to you guys, it's not hard, it's not easy, but if you aim for 100 pips a day trading on Nasdaq, that will be more than enough if you clearly look at it and if you clearly see it from the bigger picture. But without further ado, that's the secret that I wanted to share to you guys. So before we end the video, like the video, share the video, leave a comment on the video, click that link to sign up with the broker that I trade with, so you can trade on a safe and user-friendly platform. And for the most part, COT Academy has a 50% discount in our 2-day in-person mentorship course. And lastly, before we end the video, I need you guys to start the video, as you've already came to this part of the video. Go back and replay the video and learn and listen attentively, so you can take all the gems, and most importantly, take all the Forex secrets that these guys don't want you to know. But without further ado, that's your boy Harlem, King COT. I hope you have a great trading week, and I hope we kill this week. But without further ado, that's your boy Harlem, King COT, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next educational video. Bye for now.